Welcome to the January 2021 Professional Development webinar. My name is Diana Stokes, and I'm the Staff Qualifications Coordinator for the Professional Development Team. For January, we are talking about the training site updates. Today, we're going to review the enhancements made on how to find training, review how to find the training that's customized on your role, and learn what trainings are available to take. In February, we'll be back with Facilia to talk about the revised state-approved trainer standards. So here is a sneak peek of what the updates are going to look like. You'll see that there's now a training catalog. You're able to search for trainings by your role, training topic, or language, and then the display of trainings is also going to be very different. So we are going to jump right in to the content that we are having. So as you can see on your screen, we have the DCYF training portal site up on the screen. If you are brand new to the training portal, you're going to want to create a new account. You're going to go here to need an account and sign up. You'll click on that, and it'll walk you through the process of the information that you need to fill out. You'll have your first and last name, your email, and then your STARS ID number. If you do not have a STARS ID number yet, you will need to come back to Merit and create your account first and have that STARS ID number first. And this is because the training site is connected with Merit for recording those specific trainings. You'll also need to select your job role. So your job role is going to have several options. You could be an ECIT user, or you can have general. And this general option is also going to be expanding in the future. This is going to include separate roles for ECAP, a licensed child care provider, a family friend and neighbor provider, and then as we continue to grow, there will be other job roles here. And then you'll put in your information, so your address, city, state, and zip, your county, and then you'll determine what your username and password will be. You can set this up as the same as your Merit information. Just know that if you have your Merit account, you do have to create this new account, but you can use the same information. If you have forgotten your information, you can click here to forgot your username and password, and you'll put in your email address, and that will send your username and password directly to you. So it's important that if you do ever change your information, that you update it. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I will show you what the new screen is going to look like. When you first log in, you'll see that on here, there is an alert that lets you know of the changes that have happened. Once you have looked at this and you're comfortable with the information, you can hit this dismiss X here, and it will remove the screen for the next time that you log in. A couple of resources that I want to point out here is that you have your Merit support website that you can connect to. So that's our professional development pages. That's where we have the new instructions of how to update your information. Additionally, you have the Merit email address, and they are going to be the team that you talk to if you have any issues with getting connected, your username and password, if you're unable to reset it yourself. So first things first, training catalog. So this is a fun new feature that you're able to search by your role, if you want to look by specific language, and then the topic. So the role is what you do for your job. So it could be ECIT, you could be general, which is kind of all-encompassing. You could be FFN, ECAP, or licensed childcare. So I can click on licensed childcare, and then I'll be able to see the trainings that go for that. If I want to click on English, it'll reveal all the English. I can also click on Spanish and see which trainings are going to fall under that are available in Spanish. So as I scroll down, I have the general role selected, Spanish, and I can see here that I can complete the electronic attendance training. I can complete safe sleep, the health and safety training as well as the other trainings that are there. So you can see that option. You can also filter by English, and then choose a specific training topic. If you keep it open, I can also do a search by typing in here. So if I want to take safe sleep, I'm going to type that in, and then down below, underneath the topic, the safe sleep training will populate. So that will, if you know the training title, that'll make it easier for you. If I am wanting to do something about safety, and I don't know quite exactly what the training is titled, I can type in safe, and then anything with the word safe in the title will then populate. So I have the health and safety, I have standards alignment trainings, safe sleep as well. So that will populate. Another change here is the way that your training completions are now being recorded. So previously you would have all these different titles in different groupings. Now you'll see all the available trainings here on the left underneath the training catalog. And on the right, you will have your trainings that are currently in progress. And then this top portion here that I'm highlighting is considered the topic. So as you go through here and you want to find in your training catalog a specific topic, that would be what you were looking for if there was something specific that you were trying to complete. And so as you look through there, you can see what trainings are currently in progress. There's a section here for annual renewals. So anything that requires to be completed on an annual basis. So you'll find safe sleep here. You'll see the date when it was last completed, as well as the date of expiration. So when do you need to complete it by? And you'll have your certificate that's populated right there. And I can click on this line here and then minimize it. So that way I'm not seeing that right away. And then I'll see the options for all the trainings that I have completed. You'll have the training title, the date you started it, and the date of completion, as well as the certificate. And again, you have the training topic that is listed on each training. And so it'll just scroll down and you'll be able to see that. The I button will give you the information about that. You can see that highlighted there where it was previously right below. And then you click on the link and that will launch the course for you. We hope that this update is user-friendly for you and helps you keep track of the trainings that need to be completed for your role. So again, here is a quick overview that you can see things on an individual basis. So you can see the training that you currently have in progress, the renewal training and expiration date, and see the training that you have completed with certificates. So again, there's the training that's in progress, the completion and expiration date, and then the ones that you have completed with the certificates. You can also find training easily. You can search by title through the search option. You can select your role and your language, and you can narrow it down by topic. So again, if you're a first-time user, you can click on the sign up and you'll be able to update your information there. And then if you are returning to the site, you click on my account and it'll populate everything that you filled out with your first time registration, and you'll be able to update your job role there. So again, here is a quick overview of what that screen is going to look like. One other feature that we did include was having the training length added in there. So that way, if you are trying to figure out how long it's going to complete a training and how much time you have available, it'll give you a ballpark estimation there. And then just remember, all of our trainings allow you to pause and come back. So if you're not able to complete the training, you'll be able to pause it and return it when you have a free moment. And then, so resources, as I mentioned previously, we have the Merit Workforce Registry section of our professional development pages, and there we'll have updated information on how to update your account, select your job role, and information about the training site. If you're not already to subscribe, There's an option now to do that on our PD website. You'll be able to find all the newsletters and webinars there. So anything that's been previously recorded, and as well as the web newsletters for the past couple of years. If you need to subscribe, there is an opt-in button there, or you can email Marlene White and her information will be at the end of this slide, at the end of this program. And then again, save the date. So in January, we had a community-based training focus group. February is going to be state-approved trainer standards. And in March, we'll be doing updates about staff qualifications. And if you have any questions after reviewing this recorded webinar, please contact our Merit Support team. The email address is there for you. And again, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate you coming by and watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.